All right, the first thing we're going to do is import Dart.io. So let's import. From here, we can actually work with the platform. So let's say print, and let's say OS, and we want to work with the platform object here. Platform dot, and you notice how we get a lot to work with here. We want to see the operating system, and we want to see the version. Let's run this. You can see that I'm running on Linux, and it's on a Linux 64-bit. Now, what if you want to run specific code for a specific platform? So in that case, you would just simply say if platform dot, and for example, is Windows, that would be Microsoft Windows. Then we would run platform specific code for that. Now, when I say platform specific, I'm not talking about working with the actual Windows API. I mean just code specific for that platform in Dart. You would do these things, for example, if you were looking for a special folder like the, C Windows System 32 or something of that nature. So when we run this, because I'm on Linux, it's just going to run the normal code. Now, if we change this and says is Linux, now notice how we also have iOS, Android, macOS, and Fuchsia. We would run the Linux specific code. Pretty simple, pretty easy to work with, but it's also very powerful. You don't have to jump through hoops to figure out what platform you're on. You can also find out very quickly where you're executing from. This is something that can be a bit challenged in other languages. You can see this is the path which we're executing from right here. It actually gives me the name and the extension of the actual file we're running. And let's say I want to know where Dart actually is. Run this. You can see here's the path to Dart. Notice how it says Flutter for me because I'm actually using the Flutter SDK. If you don't know what Flutter is a mobile development platform that uses Dart. To finish this up, let's look at the environmental variables. So we're going to say print. And let's just print the key out, and let's get that variable. And let's look at this. Run that, and there you go. There's all the environmental variables, including the path variable. Pretty simple, pretty easy to work with. Dart does not make you jump through a lot of hoops to get just simple things done.